Hi, my name's Stuart. I'm the workshop manager here at the Bike Project. Firstly, I just want to say thank you for your bike purchase. Every bike that we sell here has a massive impact on the refugee community, both here in London and across the rest of the UK. Your bike in particular will get 2 refugees cycling bikes with a full range of safety equipment, helmet, lights and locks, and some valuable cycle training on UK roads. So to help you get started with your new bike purchase, we've developed these handy assembly videos to get you on the road. So you'll receive your new bike in a box much like this. So the first thing we need to do is take out all the components ready to assemble it. So first thing you'll find in the box are 2 handy tools. We've got a multi-use spanner and a set of Allen keys. You'll also find a set of pedals and, should the front wheel need it, a quick release skewer. Then there's the front wheel itself, which you may have to unwrap. And finally, the bike. In terms of the next step, we'd recommend that you try to balance the bike upright before we assemble the components. So I'd suggest that we turn the fork arms, which are these parts here, forward so that the bike balances on those and the back wheel. If you're still having a problem with that, you can always lean the bike against the box or against a sturdy wall.